In this video, we're going to show you how to set up smart filters inside Sierra Interactive. Smart filters allow you to save a group of criteria, and when you click on the filter, you can automatically load any leads inside your database that match that criteria. If you're a GGMS user, you already have over 20 of these preloaded into your account that are constantly hunting for the best opportunities for you to spend your time on. Now, let's jump into Sierra Interactive and see what it looks like to make a smart filter. Now that we're inside Sierra Interactive, all we need to do is go to Leads and then Leads Dashboard. That's going to drop us on this screen right here. This is the main management dashboard for where all of your leads exist inside of your database. At the top here, these are all the different smart filters that GGMS clients get right out of the box. We install these directly into your system. They constantly scan your database for the best people to talk to. To create a smart filter, all we need to do is choose all leads and then advanced search. That's going to bring up this search criteria dropdown. Once we click this dropdown, we can choose from any of these different things that Sierra Interactive has designed for us to find who we're looking for. Things like, are they on an e-alert? Is their email address valid? Did you send an email today? Was an email sent in the past X amount of days? What you can do is you can go through and say, was an email sent in the past 7 days? And you could say something like, was a text message sent in the past 7 days? Now what we've done is we've found everybody in our database who we've emailed and we've texted in the past 7 days. That shows up as 539 people. Now, what you may want to do is you may want to save this as a smart filter so that you can come back to it later. That's the exact purpose of this video. Here, you have Save as Smart Filter. Once you click this button, it's going to ask you to give it a name and a description. So we can name it Demo, and the description line is optional. Once I click Save, we now have our demo filter saved to our leads dashboard. You may want to come back to this filter later and add more things to update it. You can go here to these 3 dots, scroll all the way to the bottom where it says Edit Smart Filters, and it will bring you into the back-end management area. This is also where you can import smart filters from a partner like GGMS. From this screen, you can edit the name of the filter, the description of the filter, and whether you would like this to be the default filter that loads on the main screen. You can also edit the filter, delete the filter, or duplicate the filter. In this case, we may want to edit the filter. That's going to bring us back out to the main dashboard. It's going to load the 2 criteria points that we added there. What we may also want to do is say, also, show me anyone who is on an e-alert. We're going to say e-alert is present. So at this point, we've now seen everyone that we've emailed and that we've sent a text to in the past 7 days that also has a property alert attached to them. Once you've added any additional criteria to this filter, you can choose to either update the existing filter or save this as a brand new filter. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and update the existing one. Again, if you're a GGMS user, you have over 20 of these smart filters automatically inside of your account that are constantly scanning for the best opportunities, and we give you clear instructions on how to work these smart filters to make the most out of your system. If you're not currently using GGMS, schedule a call with our team so we can show you how we can take your Sierra Interactive platform to the next level.